Here's a clip of me dancing, and realizing it has zero relevance to this video, and completely forgetting why I did it in the first place. But now I have your attention. Cue the intro. I've spoken about the use of scripts a fair few times within my previous video. Should they be used? Well, on the most part, I always advise people or those that I work with to bullet point the main points or topics they wish to get across, because using this as a base for discussion will always encourage a more natural delivery. However, there are times that using a script is definitely needed. That may be for longer videos, tutorials, or if you're recording your first video and you need that added structure to get your points across in a succinct manner. The challenge, however, that a lot of people face when they write their script and then they record their first video with a script is that they usually sound something like this. So in today's video, I would like to speak to you about how to use scripts, because they are important. So how do you use a script and film in a way which sounds natural, and then you're able to stitch that together in post-production seamlessly? Well, there are a few ways to film your videos with scripts. The first and most common, but not always the easiest, is through the use of a teleprompter. When these are used, they can affect your overall naturalness, but this is usually down to the speed at which you set your teleprompter or the way that you write your script. So the best advice I can give to anybody using a teleprompter is to write your scripts the way you would naturally speak. I'll probably do maybe a video down the line if you guys are interested in how to use a teleprompter and how to get the most out of it. But anyways, another common way of using a script within your videos is through straight up memorization. This technique does work, but it isn't always the most effective or even time efficient. You spend all that time writing out your script, and then you need to spend an additional day or two trying to remember it and then delivering that in a natural manner. But it's difficult because you're thinking about, what you're trying to remember. But how can you break that process down? Well, a great hack to ensure that you come across naturally and get your point across in a succinct manner is through chunk reading. I don't know if that's a thing, but let's just say it is, and let's just roll with it. So split your script up into sections. Let's just say you have a script that's about a page in length. Split that into around 6 to 8 paragraphs or sections, and then when recording, you memorize those first few lines or that section, and then record that piece in pretty much one take. Review that script again and move on to the next part of your script and pretty much repeat that process. You may be wondering, oh, how on earth do I then stitch these together without looking like this? We really want to avoid jump cuts because there are a number of ways we can avoid jump cuts. Putting together a video with the use of a script. To stitch this video together, you can either ensure you change location between each section of the video or overlay B-roll over the 2 clips you're stitching together for a seamless transition. But another great hack, and probably the easiest to do, is a straight cut. Each time you're using a new clip, to avoid any random jump cuts, add a slight zoom in or out to transition from one clip to another, seamlessly adding to the overall flow of your video. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can use a script, save yourself some time, seamlessly stitch your videos together, and pay way more attention to your naturalness and delivery, and reduce the number of retakes you'll have to do if you try to remember your video in one go. So hopefully guys, you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate the support. If you haven't and you want to see more content like this, please be sure to subscribe. Once again, I do appreciate all the support. Definitely hoping to post way more videos in 2021. But yeah, until then guys, have an awesome day. Thanks once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.